Good morning, everybody. What's up? Oh, sorry, I'm a little bit behind schedule. I was having difficulties with my setting up my camera and charts. They were not cooperating this morning. All right, let's jump right to it, shall we? I did want to wait into the open anyway. I don't see a very solid liquidity grab overall. Then sorry, I gotta say my risk disclosures. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Nothing that I say is financial advice. All right. Now that we are set on that. Oh. Thanks for letting me know that I'm muted on Discord. Well, let me say it one more time. Good morning, everybody. I was having technical difficulties getting the charts to align. And everything that I say is for educational purposes only. Nothing is financial advice. Wait, what? Nothing is? On the Discord? Can you hear me now? Type 1 in the chat if you can hear me. No. Fantastic. Absolutely amazing. Just not Discord. Of course, Discord is going to have issues. How about now? Guys. How about now? Okay. Cool. I'm actually leaning towards NQ this morning. I like how we took sell side. Why am I on the 4 minutes? But nothing is confirmed yet. All right, guys. Everything that I say is used for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Now let's get it. All right. Bro, why am I on this stupid chart? All right. I definitely like buys for NQ. Like, as being that we took sell side, I want to see us close above this breaker and continue pushing up to take buy side liquidity. I like these relative equal highs right here. Oh, fuck, I'm not recording this. There we go. If we can push up, like it's wanting to push up, but I want a displacement up for sure. This thing is fighting. Let's see what YM's doing. YM didn't finish taking sell side yet. I want to see this low being run through at least. I'm definitely still bullish on NQ. There we go. I think we're finally getting this close above. I still don't like how it looks like we're kind of accumulating, but Hell yeah, there we go. There we go, finally getting that break. I want to see this high get hit at 901. I'm starting to trill and take partials. Yeah, I don't love this candle right now. But I'm still allowing for the retest and seeing if this is going to hold, because we definitely got to close above. And there we go. YM actually took sell side and is also displacing right now. So I love how we have the confluence on both pairs. Of course, the one day that I decide to trade YM and Q decides to be a bitch. And yesterday, YM did me so dirty, and then Q just went. It's just life. What the fuck did I just do? Well, NQ is going at least. It's just taking its sweet ass time to get there. I don't trade ES. ES is so slow. I don't know. I don't like how price is moving. I kind of almost, what time is it? It's 9:43. I almost want to close and reevaluate, but like if 950 doesn't give me the push that I want to see, I'm probably going to close this trade because YM is going. So I definitely feel good about it. But NQ is literally fighting, like, and accumulating. And I don't like when price does this. I wanted to see a more clean delivery. It's struggling too much for me. I think I'm going to switch to YM. Because YM is forming this 5-minute breaker right now, and I think I like a lot more the delivery. Like, if NQ is start to go up again and deliver better, but I don't like how we just accumulated instead of just going. YM seems like it just wants to break. And then we have these relative equal highs right here. So I'm favoring YM to go higher. There we go. That was a nice push. Like, I'm not completely like done with NQ, but I think I'm gonna wait just a tiny little bit. There we go. I think NQ is also finally deciding to break. There we go. NQ seems to be going towards the take profit. Finally. What is YM doing? YM2 is just going, so. All right, YM reached my first take profit right now. I'm debating just closing YM, or if I'm going to take partials. I might just partial it. Because it really seems to be going, and this is the type of trades that I want to capitalize on. Where the hell? Oh, wait. Oh, fuck. NQ, well, NQ took me out. I guess it hit my take profit. I was going to move my take profit, but then it hit before I could. Shit. Or did I have my max win for the day? Maybe I had my max win for the day because that trade is not open. It closed me out in profit. I'm still on YM. I want to see how we react when we get to midnight price, because we tend to be really finicky around that area. Sometimes we reject from it. But I'm trailing very aggressively right now. I'm really intrigued because, like, why is my other, like, no, I am closed. Did I put my max profit on this account? No, I didn't. It was my take profit. Shit. I made 1,500 on that account with NQ, and I'm on a different account of YM. I feel like YM is about to take me out because I don't want to get, yep, it just took me out. Well, that was a nice quick run. Sorry, guys. I know that the New York Open is kind of fast, but I'm done for the day. Did anybody else get in those buys? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, guys. I know, right? Like the YM was a bit fast too, because I was like, when I saw it, because I was like focusing more on NQ for sure, but NQ is about to take the sell side. Boom, just took those relative equal highs. Very clean delivery, but it's about to be 950. So I think we might get a re-entry because we are extremely bullish. I don't think we're just going to sell off from here. Seeing that we are closing like this on all time frames, I think we're going to continue to deliver. I just want to see if maybe NQ will give a pullback. How about YM? YM seems like it's giving a pullback too. Like I don't know. These kind of relative equal lows on YM is kind of, I want to say it's a little bit sketchy, but at the same time, I don't think we're just, you know what? Never mind. The 4-hour looks kind of bearish. I didn't realize we had this 4-hour fair value gap right here. It makes sense. And then we're going to possibly come take this sell side liquidity. So yeah. I thought we were still overall bullish, but it seems like we are not. I would not be looking for a re-entry. Matter of fact. But Anna, don't let my opinion override what you're thinking. If you're thinking that that is a good entry, by all means, you know, like do whatever has been working for you and your plan, right? We could very well come back, but I think I would be more aware of like, let's see what happens when we get to that point, you know? Because I've seen this plenty of times that we refuse to take the lows. And what happened is when we refuse to take the lows actually means that we're extremely bullish. But like whenever we miss it by like just a few points, like if it looks like liquidity grabbed and we deliver up, I will still get in regardless if we actually took the low or not. This doesn't happen like super often, but it's just one of those things that like it might happen here and there, but I've seen that whenever price refuses to take the low is because we are bullish overall to the point that like it refuses to break and create a lower low. Like I do really like the idea of continuing to go up, to be quite honest. Like I think NQ is still very much so very bullish. Like how we're holding this fair value gap. And like and the higher you go on the time frame, it's not like we're slowing down. It seems like, you know, once the 15-minute close, this is a complete change in state of delivery on the 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? And then I think what is the hourly? We are getting also a changing state of delivery as soon as we close above the bearish candle. So like I think NQ has so much more room to go up. I like that candle on the 30 minutes. I'm just trying to like engage where would NQ go really. Because I want a swing point. Like I almost feel like Asia highs is the only swing point. Like, would it be insane to say, damn, we dropped 700 points overnight? That is wild. That is fucking wild. I need to erase everything from my chart. Like, I don't know how people like deal with all this stuff in the chart, but I need to delete everything because I need to see. Because that is literally there's like a couple swing points that I'm interested on, like here, this one right here. I was interested on this one. This one was the first target, like these right here, these relative equal highs. But I want to see like what do we have above Asian high? Because like this could very much so be the low of the week. And if this is the low of the week, then we would turn around and continue going up, which it would make sense because like I do think that we have this very potential like relative equal highs up here that I kind of wanted to see be taken, and seeing that being taken by the end of the week can very much so be very plausible. Ah. Yep, right. See, YM did respect that. I know I wasn't looking at YM, but I like how both are still very much so bullish, and I do like Asia highs for YM. So I don't think it would be crazy to say that NQ can also reach Asia highs. Oh, let me distract myself from this trade because do I actually want to close that trade? I don't like how we're rejecting that propulsion block. I want to see the propulsion get inverted. For us to continue, I want to see a break and a retest of the propulsion block. YM is getting held by this fair value gap right here. And we did end up retesting the breaker, which is son of a bitch. I don't know. Why does this thing keep popping up? There we go. I think this could be a good delivery as a re-entry. We are inside of the macro too, so 950 to 1010, right? So we're being held by the fair value gap, and a lot of people do call this the silver bullet, right? So prime example of a good silver bullet on YM right there. And this proportion block is what is going to determine for me if I'm going to continue staying on NQ or not. Okay, the hourly candle closed. I don't want to see an aggressive retracement. I don't like how we're slowing down, but at the same time, I'm just a break even, so I'm kind of willing to give my profits back. Because I think the potential of holding this trade throughout the entire day to, what is it, 639 is a lot greater than just taking whatever I have right now. 639, where's that at? 639. Well, I already took $1,000 and my position is 300 in profit. But I'm up $1,000. So overall, I'm up like $2,000. But I'm willing to give back, if you will, right? This position at $1,000 in profit. So I can't lose in the day. These are the decisions that you got to make, like if you're planning on holding a trade. And I think I'm okay with it. But I wanted to see if we can still deliver price at the 10-10 macro. You have a good day too, Etienne. But yeah, I'm gonna probably end the stream like very soon, regardless if I'm still in the position or not. Like YM is still delivering. Don't you guys hate when you pick the wrong pair sometimes? But it's whatever. Still made money with it. Okay, I want to see if this 1 minute holds. And then my stops is right below that at $300 in profit. So If it takes me out, it takes me out. There we go. Let's see if we can get a close above that on the 1 minute. Boom. Nice delivery. And then if we close above the 30 minutes, what is this shit called? Propulsion block. I'll feel a lot better. But I'm going to trail like 500 in profit right now, just in case. But yeah, guys, with that being said, I'm about to end the stream because I don't want to be in the computer. I'm going to go do something and let the position run. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you made money. Come join the Discord. And don't forget, the streams is Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.